Nawab Sirajuddaula, King of Bengal.
Sirajuddaula.
A symbol of our hard-won freedom yet. These are unsung heroes whose contributions have often been relegated to the shadows of history for India's sovereignty. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praises due to Allah, the Lord of the universe, the Master the day of the judgment. I bear witness and testimony to the oneness of Allah, to His magnificence, His omnipotence, His might, His glory, to His being the creator and the sustainer of all things, the giver of life, the guider of hearts, the master of the day of judgment. And I bear witness to the fact that Muhammad ibn Abdullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his servant and final messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm Saad Haron. I'm an alim. I have an alimiyat from Darul Uloom, Nadvi Ulama, Lucknow. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken Arabic, spoken English and computer. I would like to say thanks to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My respected teachers and my beloved friends or honorable audience, today is my topic, Nawab Sirajuddaula, King of Bengal.
Sirajuddaula battled the army of the British East India Company.
First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We stand today under the proud embrace of our national flag, a symbol of our hard-won freedom yet. This freedom was not bestowed upon us. It was wrested from the iron grip of colonial tyranny through the blood, sweat and tears countless patriots, while the names of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh resonate permanently in our collective consciousness. These are unsung heroes whose contributions have often been relegated to the shadows of history. Among these luminaries, Nawab Sirajuddaula stands tall as a martyr for India's sovereignty. The 18th century witnessed the insidious rise of the East India Company, the mercantile entity that harbored imperial ambitions far beyond trade, cloaked in the guise of merchants. This company was in a reality a formidable political and military force, steadily encroaching upon the autonomy Indian states. Bengal, under the rule of Sirajuddaula, became a primary target of this colonial aggression. My beloved friends, a young and inexperienced ruler, Nawab Sirajuddaula ascended the throne at a critical juncture. His reign was marked internal challenges and external threats, a perfect storm for the East India Company to exploit. The company, with its cunning and duplicity, his was ran sword discord among Nawab's courtiers, weakening his position from within. Dear audience, despite these formidable challenges, Nawab Sirajuddaula exhibited extraordinary courage and resolve. He was a man of principle, determined to protect the sovereignty, dignity of his kingdom. Sovereignty or dignity of kingdom, his refusal to be a mere ruler in the hands of the British ignited a spark of resistance that would reverberate through generation. My beloved friends, the Battle of Plassey, a watershed moment in Indian history, marked the culmination of this struggle, a tragic defeat. It etched a deep scar on the collective psyche of the nation yet. It is essential to remember that Sirajuddaula's legacy, it stands far beyond this single battle. His resistance was a beacon of hope for a nation struggle. prosperous and united. Colonial historians, in their attempt to justify the empire, often portrayed Nawab Sirajuddaula as a capricious and incompetent ruler. However, such narratives are a gross distortion of historical truth. He was a young man, thrust into a complex political landscape, forced to confront. My beloved friends, we should keep in mind as we celebrate our independence today, let's not forget for the sacrifice of those who came before us. Let's honor the memory of Sirajuddaula and countless others who laid down their lives for the freedom we cherish. Let's draw inspiration from their courage and determination to build a nation that is strong, prosperous and united. My beloved friends, Nawab Sirajuddaula's story is a testament to the human spirit's resilience. It is the reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, the pursuit of freedom is a noble endeavor. Let's carry forward his legacy of resistance, and let's strive to build a nation that is truly independent, self-reliant, and prosperous. Lastly, जिंदगानी थी तेरी महताब से ताबिंदा तर, जिंदगानी थी तेरी महताब से ताबिंदा तर, खूब तरता सुबह के तारे से भी तेरा सफ़र, आसमां तेरी लहद पर शबनम अफसानी करे, आसमां तेरी लहद पर शबनम अफसानी करे, सब्ज़ाए नूरुस्ता उस घर की निगहबानी करे.